Welcome to our classroom. My name is Jennifer Haley and I'm a special education teacher in an 811 academic behavior classroom here at CV-TEC. Our classroom consists of Mrs. O'Connell, Miss Tally, Miss Julie, Miss Ashley, Miss Kristen, and myself. We have an outstanding classroom team and work closely together to help ensure your child's success. This year we are using the Reading Street series and connecting math concepts to meet your child's academic abilities. We have a strong behavior management system which allows students to track and monitor their behaviors. This chart is based on being responsible, respectful, safe, and a social emotional goal. We also utilize the PACS Good Behavior game. PACS is an evidence-based practice built on creating and nurturing classroom environment focused on peace, productivity, happiness, and health. Our goal this school year is to have a safe and successful year, both academically and behaviorally. Please ask your child what a toodle is, what PACS quiet means, and what PACS hands are. Up next is my classroom TA, Mrs. O'Connell.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. O'Connell and I am the classroom teaching assistant. I think you would agree when I say that communication between home and school is the key to success. Please know that we send home a communication log daily and we use Microsoft Teams for an online platform. Please feel free to contact us via phone, email, or Microsoft Teams if you have any questions or concerns about your child and their progress. It's going to be a great school year. Thanks for stopping by our virtual classroom, and please know that we are all in this together. Best wishes to you and your family for a safe and successful school year. Together we are CV-TEC strong.
Hi, my name is Kristen Mitchell. I'm a social worker in the Elementary Academic 811 program. I spend a lot of time in the classroom with your child, as well as provide them group and individual therapy.